A very good afternoon, everybody. Today we are going to start working with PHP. And so, before we start working with the PHP, we need to have a Dreamweaver. You can see the complete installation step in the video, and you can download the Dreamweaver from here, or you can also get the get it from Adobe official website. In this tutorial, I have explained the entire concept how to install the Dreamweaver. In the previous chapter, I have explained how to install the WAM server. I have also explained how to install the XAMPP server. Now, once you install the WAMP and XAMPP server, then we can start proceeding with PHP. You can have any editor, then any local server. I am going to use Dreamweaver and WAMP for all of my programs. Now let us start with the Hello World program in PHP. Following script displays the sentence Hello World in the browser. It is a simple and straightforward code. There are two basic ways of doing this. Hello World print, and they are using echo and print statement. Now the difference between using echo and print is the echo statement just prints the argument passed on it and does not return any value. But the print statement prints the argument as well as return a value of 1. Since it returns a value, print statement can be used in expression. The echo statement can take multiple parameters and print statement takes place only one parameter. Now let us start working with this example. So before we start, let us first start the WAM server. This is the WAM server. It is already installed in my system. Now you can see that when the WAM service is installed, all the services are running and it has turned green. If it is red or if it is orange, that means one of the services or two of the services or none of the services are working. So now before we start with this, you can just open C drive, WAM64, www. Here you will find all the projects. So I'm going to create the first project, PHP. Now you can start the first program. Open a Dreamweaver. Now you can start with the PHP program. You can see that this is the first program and you get this set of code. In my HTML tutorial, I have already explained what are the things. This is informing the document type and version of HTML to the web browser. And then we have the heading part. Then we have the body part. Now first let us change the heading. Now I have started the heading as PHP tutorial, and then We are going to work with this. In my previous tutorial, I have already explained you that these are the delimiters. That means we need to paste this type of codes before we work. I have saved it. Now you can see that the name of the file is echo.php. Now let us try to run that page. So we need to type localhost, then the name of the folder was php. So I have typed here php. In that it was, you can see that you can press it. All the files that we have saved over here is can be displayed here. Now we are trying to execute echo.php. It is displaying hello world, and this is the title which can be seen here. You can see that this is the hello world and this is the title which you can see here. Now let us try to run the same thing using the print statement. Now I have already pasted the code. Now let us try to execute that code. You can see that. Now since everything is displayed in the same page, it is looking, if you want to display it into a next page, next line, then you need to type br. Now this is how it works, working of the hello world, the first program, if we need to display anything on our web browser using php.